So all issue has been solved regarding the buying any?
ऑपोजिशन खूप असले ना लोकल
See, there is no question of where, as far as the opposition is concerned. Bangini plant has been even cleared by the Supreme Court. So all the all the process has already been followed as far as the plant is concerned. Now there was some delay as far as the tendering process. Last tender, I think, it was some 3 years back. So that is the reason, since as far as the rates and all has escalated, that's the reason the fresh tender will be taken.
पण तो लोकल MLA असा तो मातसो अप्रूव करतालो कशेंच
See,
करून दिवचो ना
this is basically benefit for everyone. So let us not go on a particular MLA or something. This will be beneficial for full Tiswadi area itself. So, and I'm saying, telling you, this will basically be beneficial for all throughout Tiswadi.
But nearby rate structure is there also.
Yeah, all these things has been taken care of. So there is the reason. No, there is the reason I'm saying all these things has been taken care of. They have all these complainants basically has gone to the court. Courts have basically decided there is certain norms which has got to be adopted. All those things will be taken care of.
Public hearing जातले बाबू, public hearing
Public hearing जाऊन
जावचे
ना public hearing जाऊन सगळे प्रोसेस चालू झालेलो आहे.
But या
So this is only as far as the tendering process is concerned. That is the
but या tenure
which is pending.
सुरुवात झाली.
Tender, it will be, see, I think it should take at least 2 years basically for the completion of the plant. But this, I think before August actually the work should start.
आमचो एकूच मुद्दो आसा की आमकां गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट बांयगेणे आमकां नाका. एक्चुअली गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट हे गोंयभर आमकां जाय अशें ना की नाका अशें, पण खंयचे लोक उस्ती ना आमी हे वार उलयता, आमी असेंब्लीनय काडटा. कारण हो मदींच आतां बाबूश मनसुरात हे चाळून घालता. तेणी जर खरी हिम्मत आसा न्हू, तेणी गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट थंय बांयगेणी हाडून दाखोवपाचो. म्हाजो ताका विरोध आसतलो. मागीर कितें आहा तें मागीर हांव दाखयता कितें करपाचें तें. तेणी कापस्ताद आहा जाल्यार थंय हाडून घालपाचो. हांव पळयता फुडलें कितें थंय तें. ही माझी ताका चॅलेंजूच आहा. तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सांगा, पावया मेसेज.
हय. आणि आयज तुम्ही बसकेक नाशिल्ले तेच्या फाटल्यान कितें कारण बीन तुमकां आपयल्ले बीन आणि तुम्ही वचूना?
ती कॅबिनेट मिटींग आसलेली तेंची, ती तेंचे भितर. आमकां जेन्ना आपयतलो आमचो मुख्यमंत्री तेन्ना हांव वयतलो. जेन्ना हो वार हांवें जो म्हणजे हो प्रश्न हांव मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन सातत्यान घेवन बसला आनी तो गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट हो प्लांट जो आसा हो रिजेक्ट जाल्लो आसा. पूण तो मुद्दाम व्हरून तो हो काडटा. दोनापाल आयटीची जागा थंय घाल सांग तेका व्हरोन. नाजाल्यार तेणी तालिगांव आपलो बंगलो बांदलेलो व्हडलो फाटल्यान, व्हडले फार्म हाऊस घातलेले, तेच्या फाटल्यान सगळो जागो हे केल्लो, थंय घालपाचो तेणी. आमच्या मतदारसंघाच्या वाटेक सुद्धा येत जाल्यार बाबू मनसुराताक हांव सोडचो ना.